This is a short tutorial on how to upload a video on Mindsmith. Before uploading a video on Mindsmith, ensure you have downloaded the video to your computer. Then log into Mindsmith and navigate to the materials, your lesson materials, where you want to add the video to. In this case, I will select Untitled Lesson. Click on the lesson material. Scroll down to the button that says Add Page. Click on this button. Now scroll down to the section under Multimedia and select the first slide that says Video. Once you have selected that, select the slide, then you have the three dots at the top of the slide. Click on these three dots. Next, click on this button that says Upload, and this will redirect you to the file explorer of your computer. Select the video which you want to upload on Mindsmith and click Open. Give it some time for the video to upload. Now, once the video has successfully uploaded to Mindsmith, you can click the play button to preview your video. So this is how you upload videos on your Mindsmith lesson materials. Thank you.